In a shocking turn of events, the 1000 LB Sisters fanbase was left reeling after unverified news spread online suggesting the unexpected death of Chris Combs, the beloved brother of Tammy and Amy Slayton. While rumors and hoaxes often plague public figures, this time it felt more serious as hashtags like "Rip Chris Combs" began trending on social media platforms, prompting a wave of concern, confusion, and heartfelt tributes. But amidst the chaos, Tammy Slayton stepped forward with firm and emotional words to condemn the false report and set the record straight. The reality TV star, who has herself experienced her fair share of health scares, losses, and public scrutiny, took to her social media to passionately respond to the death hoax that had spread like wildfire. "Chris is alive and well," Tammy wrote in a now viral Instagram story. "Y'all need to stop with this disgusting rumor. How dare you spread such a lie about someone's life like that?" Her message was echoed by her fans and co-stars, who flooded the internet with support for both Tammy and Chris. The outrage was immediate and intense, especially from those who follow the show closely and know how much Chris Combs means not just to the Slayton sisters but to the overall success and the heart of the series. Chris, often considered the fan favorite sibling, has consistently been a source of motivation, comic relief, and emotional grounding throughout the series. His weight loss journey, his support for Tammy and Amy, and his wholesome personality have made him a staple of the 10,000 LB Sisters universe. Fans were understandably devastated when they came across supposed obituaries and manipulated images that claimed Chris had passed away. But as it turns out, the rumor had no basis in fact. According to multiple sources close to the family, the entire incident originated from a fake Facebook page designed to look like a credible news outlet. The page shared a fabricated post claiming that Chris Combs had died of a heart attack, citing anonymous hospital staff as sources. However, no official confirmation followed, and the news was quickly flagged as misinformation. Tammy's response wasn't just a denial, it was a full-on condemnation of the culture of spreading death hoaxes for attention. "It's sick," she continued in another post. "We have lost people for real, and this is not something you play with. Our family has already been through enough. If you think making a fake death post is funny or gets you likes, you need to check your morals." Amy Slayton also weighed in with her own comment under a viral TikTok video that had repeated the false claim. "Not true. He is fine and still making us laugh every day," she commented. Her words were a relief to fans, who had been anxiously awaiting clarity. In the days that followed, Chris himself posted a video on his personal account, smiling and jokingly saying, "Well, I guess I'm a ghost now," before assuring everyone that he was healthy and still living life to the fullest. "Don't believe everything you read on the internet, y'all," he added with a light chuckle. While the family tried to inject some humor into the response, the underlying message was deeply serious. Death hoaxes are not only emotionally damaging to the families involved, but they can also leave lasting trauma, especially for public figures like the Slaytons, who have been vulnerable about their health struggles. These kinds of falsehoods hit too close to home. Fans will remember the heart-wrenching moments in previous seasons when Tammy herself was rushed to the hospital and had to be placed on a ventilator. At that time, many feared the worst. Losing someone like Chris, even hypothetically, reignites those painful memories. "This was not just a lie," said one fan in the comments section of Tammy's post. "It brought back all those horrible feelings when Tammy almost didn't make it." People need to understand that this family is real, with real emotions. This isn't just a show. Social media experts have often pointed out how rapidly misinformation can spread, particularly in fan communities where any rumor can quickly snowball into what seems like fact. In the case of Chris Combs, the hoax was amplified by a handful of TikTok users who, whether knowingly or not, shared the false news without verifying it. Some went as far as creating slideshows, dramatic narrations, and tribute montages set to sad music, all based on a completely fabricated premise. Tammy has vowed to take action against the original page responsible for the hoax. "We're looking into legal options," she stated in a follow-up post. "This can't keep happening. Not to us, not to anyone." Her fans have stood firmly behind her, calling for stricter regulations on social media platforms to prevent fake news from gaining traction. There's also a growing conversation about the emotional labor that reality TV stars are expected to endure. While shows like 1000 LB Sisters give fans an inside look at the lives of the Slayton family, the boundaries between public and private often get blurred. As Tammy pointed out, we share parts of our life because we want to inspire, but that doesn't mean we are not human. That doesn't mean it's okay to lie about our death or illness for clicks. Chris's near constant positivity throughout the show has been one of its highlights. Viewers have watched him battle his own weight issues, undergo surgery, and still show up for his sisters during their lowest moments. His presence in the family is irreplaceable, and the thought of losing him was genuinely heartbreaking for many fans, even if it was just a rumor. In fact, the outpouring of love that followed the debunking of the rumor only reaffirmed how important Chris is to the 1000 LB Sisters community. Posts like, "So relieved to hear Chris is okay," and "We love you, Chris. Stay strong," flooded Instagram, TikTok, Reddit, and Twitter. Some fans even turned their anger into action by reporting the fake news page and urging others to be more cautious before sharing dramatic news. The experience has been a sobering reminder of the dark side of viral content. It also placed an unexpected emotional burden on the Slayton family, who had to spend hours clarifying the truth to an audience of millions. Still, they emerged stronger and more unified. Tammy, in particular, has shown incredible growth in the way she handled the crisis. Known in earlier seasons for her quick temper and impulsive reactions, she now exhibits a calm but firm resilience. Many fans commented on her mature and protective demeanor, praising her for defending her brother and confronting the falsehood head-on. "This is a new Tammy," one fan wrote on Twitter. "She's still fierce, but now she's channeling that fire into something good, like protecting her family." Meanwhile, the 1000 LB Sisters show continues production, with sources saying Chris will feature heavily in the upcoming season. "You haven't seen the last of me," he joked in his video update, teasing some behind-the-scenes clips that fans are eager to watch. The Slaytons appear to be moving forward with even more appreciation for life and each other. In one touching scene filmed just days after the hoax, Tammy and Chris were seen cooking together in the kitchen, laughing and reminiscing about their childhood. The scene, which is expected to air in the new season, captures the heart of what the show has always been about: family, resilience, and love in the face of adversity. Ultimately, the false report of Chris Combs' death may have been born from a place of ignorance or malice, but the Slaytons' response turned it into a moment of strength and unity. They reminded the world not only to fact-check but to show compassion. Tammy's condemnation of the rumor wasn't just a defense of her brother, it was a bold stand against the exploitation of human emotion for internet fame. And in doing so, she reminded everyone that behind every TV screen is a real person, with a beating heart and a family who loves them. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.